Pardon me if I sound a little low, because I do have a little sore throat, and I'm doing this in the evening and trying to keep my grandkids asleep. So, okay, so what you want to do is you want to create YouTube banner art, and the way to do it is go to um, your splash screen and take a screenshot of it. And I'm going to use this one, and I want it to go here. I want it, actually, it's right here, when it has the camera right in the middle, like right there. But I don't want this red mark here, this status bar from Google Drive. So I'm going to let it play, and then as it plays, it disappears. So I'm going to take a screenshot. I'm going to go to Photo P. Okay, go to Photo P. You're going to open it. Open your screenshot. Well, first of all, download the template. Okay, the banner art. Now, one of these two you can turn in, but eventually try to get both of them by the end of the grading period. But I need one of these turned in by the due date. So I'm going to use the banner art. So you have two of them to choose from. So I'm going to use the banner art, this one here. I'm going to download it. Okay, downloading there. And now I'm going to go to Photo P. I'm going to go to File, Open, go to Downloads, or in your case, you have your own under Recents. So you can see I have a few templates there already. So there it is right there. Click Open. All right, you can see it's already laid out. It's got the guides and everything for you. So this area is viewed on all devices. So this is the area where you want your title. You can actually type in your name of your your production company right in here. You can type over it and choose your font. Okay, but if you're going to use your screenshot of your actual production company, you can do that. Just hide it here. Click the little eye, the eye icon, and hide it. Now you're going to go open. Okay, open your screenshot. Mine is under recents. There it is right there. I'm going to crop it now using the crop tool right here. Crop tool, and I'm going to crop it right there. Okay, click the check mark up here at the top. Now I'm going to do select all. Okay, and then edit copy. Okay, it's copied onto the clipboard. I'm going to go back to my template and paste it in here. Okay, edit paste. Bam, look at that. It fits right in that area where it's the text is supposed to go. Actually, let's put the layer on top just so we can make sure. Okay, this area is viewed. So that little square area in the middle, that's where it's all viewed. Um, Now you can see the background. This is okay. You can turn it in like this and post it to your YouTube channel. It'll work. But if you watch this on a TV, you're going to have this excess on it. But let's do this first. Okay, so since it placed it perfectly right in that box, I don't have to do anything anymore other than save. So I'm going to save. Okay, it's going to save the file. Okay, with the layers. That's what I need. Okay, it's going to save them. I did it save that. Let's save it again. I'm going to save it as a PSD. Save it as a PSD. Okay, there it is right there. Saved it. And I'm going to save it as export, sorry, as a JPEG. Okay, export as a JPEG. There it is right there. It's giving you a preview. Keep everything the same. Don't change anything. All right. Now you're going to go to your YouTube channel. And you can see I already have one there. Okay. I'm going to change it though. I'm going to click the little camera. Okay. When you go to your YouTube channel, go to click the camera and it takes you to this menu here. You're going to change it, the banner. Okay. I'm going to go to my recents and I'm going to go to template 2. Sorry, I have so many templates. Let's go to template 2. There it is right there. Click open and look at that. It fits perfectly. Only this extra is viewed on the TV. It'll be cut off. But it's okay. I mean, how many times do you watch YouTube on TV? Maybe you do, and then you want to go ahead and extend it if you like. You can. Click done. Okay, now publish. And now let's view channel. Once it goes through, let's view channel. Let me pause it because I have it playing. And there it is. See that? See how it's cut off though here? It's okay though. As long as it's showing up here. And you're good. That's all you need to do. You can also add your thumbnail too. See, because it'll look nice once your thumbnail and your cover art are on the, you get it all covered there with your YouTube channel. It'll look nice and professional. Okay, that's it. That's all you have to do. If you want to do something more advanced, stick around. I'll show you how to do something more advanced. Okay, so this is the advanced part. It's not really advanced, but it's just an extra step that'll help you just complete it a little better. Now, what you can do is cover all this extra stuff, like this border. Duplicate the layer. Go to layer here or up here. Make sure you're on the layer. You're going to duplicate it. Duplicate layer. Okay, so there's one on top of another. I'm going to take the one underneath it. I want to go to edit. Sorry. Yeah, no. Yeah, image. Sorry. Image. Transform. Wait a minute. No, it is edit. Yeah, edit transform. Sorry about that. Edit transform scale. Okay, edit transform scale because we're going to scale it. We're going to make it bigger. You see those little squares in the corners? Those are your guides there. I'm going to hold the shift key and expand it. See? So I can fill up that blank space. Okay, I'm going to hit here, click it. Now I'm going to click, I'm going to add a filter, which is a blur. I'm going to blur it, Gaussian blur, and you can have blurs the background like that. Click OK. Now I'm going to go to Image, Adjustments, Brightness, Contrast, and I'm going to darken it like that. Okay, click OK, click File, save as a PSD. It's going to save it again as a template, whatever number version you have, and then I'm going to export it as a JPEG too. Photopea does not allow you to name it. It just does it automatically. Click Save. Say, remember, it's called Template 2.2 for my case. Yours may be a little different. Just remember what it's called. So it saves as Template 2.2. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to click the little icon on my YouTube channel. Then I'm going to go to the settings here. I'm going to change it. And it's called Template 2.2, right? Where is it? Right there. See how it filled it all up? See? It fills it all the way up for the TV. As long as the middle area is viewable. Click Publish. And View Channel. And then click Pause because the music comes, everything comes up. But see that? See how it fills it in? It looks better than the other one. And then if you see it on your mobile device, always test it on your mobile device. And you should be able to see that as well. Okay, again, my apologies for talking so low. It's because my grandkids, are knocked out and I'm recording this late at night. The only time I can do most of my tutorials. All right, if you have any questions, just please email me. Reach out to me, please. I'm here to help you. Thank you.